Experiencing no service on ALDI Mobile can be frustrating. This section addresses common causes and quick fixes. First, is there a known outage? Check ALDI Mobile's status page or their social media for real-time updates. Nationwide outages, like the one in September 2025 due to a Verizon glitch, can temporarily disrupt service. Next, verify coverage in your area using the ALDI Mobile app, which integrates Verizon's data. Poor coverage, especially in rural areas, is a frequent culprit. Finally, ensure your account is active and paid up via the ALDI Mobile app or website, as a delinquent account will suspend service. If outages and account issues are ruled out, the problem likely lies with your SIM card, device settings, or compatibility. Begin by restarting your phone. Then, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection. Inspect your SIM card, ensuring it's properly inserted and not damaged. For physical SIMs, reseat the card. If you're using an eSIM, ensure it's activated correctly in your phone's settings. Confirm that your phone is unlocked and compatible with ALDI Mobile's Verizon-based network. Finally, update your phone's software to the latest version, as outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. If problems persist, contact ALDI Mobile for a SIM replacement or device assistance.